So the Demon has finally made it. I know we've all been waiting months, and I hope the delivery video was something you guys enjoyed watching. Just a great experience to finally be able to get this car, and I know a lot of you guys have been waiting along with us for all these months, and I'm glad that I was able to share that with you guys. Now the question is, what are we going to do with it? Well, there's lots of stuff to do with it, and we got to get the crate ordered, the authentication package ordered, authentication package ordered. We got to get street wheels and tires for it, and a whole bunch of mods already on the way for it, which I'm not going to give all that away. Can't give it all away. And let's start out with something that we've been working on for a while that just happened to come in right now, just in time for the Demon. So these are going to be available from, I'm going to put the link right here on the screen, BecauseRaceCarStore.com, which if you guys are familiar with Riley and RP Productions, this is run by Sean, his roommate, and does all Riley's merch. So we partnered up, and shirts are going to be available on his website, and we've started out with 2 designs. Do You Even Lift t-shirt with a gray Demon doing a wheelie. It's going to be available in white or black. And then we have the SRT Gang shirt, which has the Demon, the Viper, the Durango, the Jeep, and the Charger all in the line, also available in white or black. So if you guys want some, any size, they're all going to be available in both colors. We will have more designs coming soon, but man, these are super cool. Like, I'm really happy with these, how these came out. SRT Gang, running the streets, y'all. Do you even lift, bro? With the little measuring stick there. Hell yeah, the guy that redrew these digitally did an amazing job on them. BecauseRaceCarStore.com, and get you some of those really cool shirts. So what's next is, the first thing we got to do is call and order the Demon crate. A lot of people have been asking about the Demon crate. You have to wait till 2 days until after the car's been purchased, or delivered rather, or picked up. Then you got to call in and you order the crate, and there's a few other items you can order that are all $1 as well. So we're going to do that now, and I'm going to have it here for you guys to see what that is all about. Again, I've tried to keep all you guys involved in the process from start to finish. So we're going to call the Demon Concierge.
You've reached program headquarters. Please listen carefully for your options. For questions regarding Dodge SRT Demon crate ordering, please press 1. Thank you for calling the Dodge Demon Concierge. This is Natalie. How may I help you?
Yes, ma'am. I need to get my crate ordered and I guess some other things ordered.
Okay, I can help you out with that. You've taken delivery of your vehicle?
I did, 2 days ago.
Okay. What's your last name? Todd?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, we have you in the system, so we can go ahead and place your order.
Woohoo!
Alright, so, we need you to confirm some information for me. Can you please tell me your VIN number, the full number?
VIN number is...
Perfect. Do you happen to have your VON with you?
I have it memorized, actually, if that's not sad enough.
No, that's what a lot of people have. What is it?
394 19740.
Okay, perfect. And what is your street address? Is that where we're going to ship the crate?
I imagine you probably have to be there to receive it, right?
Yeah, you'll have to coordinate with UPS, yes.
Yeah, I'll just have it come to my work, actually, because, I mean, we have a dock and people are here, you know, all day long, so that'll be a little bit easier for everybody.
What is the address for the, to ship it there? Okay.
And that's Nashville, Tennessee, 37210.
It's 280 pounds. Is that going to be a problem with the delivery of this at this location?
No, that's fine.
Okay. So are there any special instructions I need to leave for UPS?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. And what is a good phone number for the shipping? Is there somebody going to be at that phone number so that when UPS calls, they can coordinate the shipping?
Yeah, if they called during normal business hours, you know, somebody will be here or answer the phone.
They'll ask to speak with you to confirm that they're delivering it to the right place. That'd be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And what will your custom badge name be?
Let's go with... Oh man, I forgot all about that. It's gonna be on the crate and then on the vent, right?
Yeah, and it cannot be changed. So
yeah,
you need to think about it. We can wait, but we can't change it once I submit it.
We're gonna go with Team Mush.
The other items that we have available are the authentication kit for $1 and the custom car cover that matches your paint scheme for $695. Are you looking at both of those, or?
I'm gonna skip the car cover, but I will do the authentication package.
Okay. Do you want it shipped to the same location? Or
Yeah.
Do you want it shipped to your home?
No, you can ship it to the same address.
Okay, so on the starter card, which you're going to receive, it's going to have your name as the owner. So I'm ready to process the transactions. There'll be two of them, each of them for $1, one for the crate and one for the authentication package. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and process these two transactions. You'll receive emails for them. When your crate is shipped, UPS will be calling you on that phone number that you gave me, the 615 phone number, and they will be scheduling your delivery.
Okay.
Everything's they're gonna ship at separate times. So you're not gonna have your authentication kit in your crate or anything. You'll have them separately.
Okay.
And that's it. So is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, do you know what the lead time is currently with them?
3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks. Gotcha. Okay.
Perfect.
All right, sounds good. Well, thank you very much for your help.
You're very welcome. You enjoy your day.
Thanks, you too. Crate is ordered. Simple as that. $1. $1 and an authentication package, which I'll show you guys when it gets here. It's a pretty cool little package that they put together kind of after the fact, which is also $1. And that's pretty neat little thing. Kind of showing your car is actually a real demon and not, say, a Hellcat that's been added onto or something like that. So 3 to 4 weeks, not a big deal because the weather sucks anyways and no tracks are open right this second. So we have some time to play. We have some time, so it's no huge hurry, although I am really anxious to get the PCM in and be able to run 100 octane for the 840 horsepower mode. But we'll just have to wait a few weeks, so we'll have to figure out some other stuff to do in the meantime. But there is a ton of stuff to do to the car, with the car, a ton of stuff to video. So I just wanted to share this portion of it with you guys. Like I said, making it all inclusive for those of you that have been following along since the beginning that care to see all these little details. So there is the Demon package ordering. So there you go. Like I said, the weather is totally ass right now. I'm not really driving the Demon or really the Hellcat. The only thing I've driven the past 2 days is the truck just because of the weather, but so I am going to do one small little thing to the Demon since the weather's crappy and can't drive it, and it's kind of out of necessity, something actually I wasn't aware of. So the trunk has no lights in it. So when you pop the trunk, normally you have a light somewhere in there that turns on, and usually they're not that great anyways, and I would upgrade them to replacement LED bulbs. But there's none in there at all to even replace, so that makes it a problem because if you weren't aware, all the stuff that comes in the Demon crate basically goes into your trunk when you go to the track, which has the front skinnies, a jack, and all the tools and stuff and everything. And a lot of times when you're done at the track, you're racing all day and then it's nighttime and you got to pack up, and that'd be hard to do with no lights in there. So I have these lights from Auxbeam. This is the module for it, and where is one of the lights? Alright, so it's a little pod and it's made out of metal, heavy duty, weatherproof. It's got these awesome little weatherproof seals here, or weatherproof connectors, with these little twist locks on it, a little O-ring to keep out moisture, which is going to be in the trunk so it doesn't matter anyways. So there's actually 8 of them. I'm only going to use 4, I think, and they come with 2 different little rubber pads depending on if you want to mount them outside. They're technically, they call them rock lights, to go in like the wheel wells of a pickup truck or something, or underneath the rockers, puddle lights or whatever. So it is Bluetooth and it's RGB LEDs, so you can control it with an app on your smartphone. So I'm going to put these in so that I have some light in the trunk for whatever reason we would need light in the trunk. So let me put these in real quick. It's super easy. You just you know, screw these in, or I'm going to use double-sided tape, and you're going to stick them to wherever you want. And then it's pretty simple. You run a ground to a ground, and then a power to a power source. Now the only downside is that there's no switch for the trunk being open or closed to turn a power on or off, but luckily the app lets you turn this module on and off within the app. So when I pop the trunk, I'll just get my phone out, turn the app on, or open the app and turn the light on, and then I'll be able to see. So let me put these in real quick. Super easy. You know, these are just, you know, connect to each other. There's really very little wiring, power and ground, that's it. And then you run these wires so they're hidden. Alright, so I'm going to pop the trunk, and you see there's no lights at all. That is reflection off the glass there. So no lights, which is surprising. I didn't know that there was no lights in there. And we are going to connect to it. Pretty simple, pretty fast. And then, boom, we can turn on lights. We can change the color if we wanted to. Which, I don't know, red might be pretty cool with the demon crate in there, shining on all the demon parts. Actually, that might be pretty dang cool. It does have, like, you know, modes where it'll fade, and you can do flashing. I don't know why you would want to do that, but you can. So, like I said, I put 4 of them in there, and that'll help big time. And then when you're done, you just got to manually turn it off since there's no switch. So we got a ton of parts coming for the Demon, and we got some parts coming for the Hellcat, hopefully within the next week or two. So we'll have some cool videos coming for that. And as soon as the weather stops being so ridiculous, and I just need it to stop snowing and raining, and I'm going to get out and get a little bit of miles on this, get past the break-in period, and then we're gonna rip it up, guys. So hope you guys are ready, because we fitting to do this. Alright, y'all, holla.
It's like I'm standing on a mountaintop. I got the feeling I'ma never drop. I leave that mountaintop and touch the stars. All these verses take me, I feel like I'm close to God. It's like I'm standing on a mountaintop. I got the feeling I'ma never drop. I leave that mountaintop and touch the stars. All these verses take me, I feel like I'm close to God. Dropping these lyrics, I'm feeding the needy. I'm seeing they need me, I'm giving these meals.